I'm sorry to break it to you, but looking effortless actually does take effort, but the right kind. These are 10 high maintenance habits that are gonna keep you low maintenance the rest of the time. You look polished, feel calm, and barely have to try day to day because you already did the work once. Before I start with the tips, I wanna let you all know that I have a bunch of videos like this on my channel that are gonna make you glow up, feel way more confident in yourself, and help you become that girl. Tip number 1, and I stand by this tip like no other. Get a hair gloss every 2 to 3 months to have beautiful, shiny hair. I get a hair gloss done every time that I feel like my hair looks brassy, like the color is getting a little too light, or if it's losing its shine, and it usually keeps my hair so shiny, smooth, and healthy without constantly having to use heat or too many salon visits. I usually pair this with a trim, so make sure you get a trim done and then your hair gloss. If you have darker hair, you can get a hair gloss with color, which is gonna make your hair color like so much darker, and I feel like that helps with shine so much. Tip number 2, lash and brow tint or a lash lift. You can do this DIY or at a salon. I personally recommend that if you have a tighter budget, you could do it at home. There's many kits that you can buy online, but when it comes to your lashes or a lash lift, I do recommend that you get someone professional to do it for you. It'll wake your face up instantly and you won't need makeup for weeks. If you want to look put together but you hate wearing makeup every day or waking up every morning to do your makeup, get a lash lift with a tint and then it'll look like you have mascara on every day. Tip number 3, gel nails every 3 weeks. You can either do this at home or get it done at a nail salon. I always talk about getting gel nails done because it'll help your nails stay strong and grow out a lot. I usually always get gel nails done, just let them rest every couple of months. If you feel like it's too expensive to go to a salon, you can get that done at home. Just buy the products and then in the long run, you're gonna save so much money. And get a neutral color. It'll make your hands look so clean. There's gonna be no chipping thanks to the gel and almost no effort. Tip number 4, weekly body reset night. It means it's time for you to exfoliate, shave, oil, change to clean sheets, and do a hair mask or a face mask. Your whole week is gonna feel so much fresher. You're gonna actually have time for yourself and you're not gonna feel uncomfortable because you forgot to shave or you forgot to oil your body or your hair. Tip number 5, monthly deep cleaning and declutter. Clean space equals to a clear mind. Get rid of things that you don't use or you don't need. Get rid of trash, old boxes in your room that you don't need anymore. Change your sheets, rearrange your room in the way you want it to look. Get rid of things that are like visually too overwhelming. If you have too many things on your desk, make sure you organize that. Make sure you do this at least once a month so you feel so much more refreshed. Tip number 6, skin consistency over too many products. Stick to one simple routine daily. Having a simple skincare routine that's actually good for your skin and not trying on too many products is gonna help you have clear skin most of the time. The times that I've actually had breakouts whenever I try new products or skincare that my face is not used to, or too many ingredients that may be too harsh on your skin. For example, I know many people who have tried niacinamide and they usually use a very high percentage of it and they start using it every day, which is gonna make you break out. It really comes down to your experience, but I do know that it's a really harsh ingredient and if you use it too much, you're gonna break out. So make sure you keep it simple. Always use SPF in the morning and always moisturize at night. And remember to cleanse your skin every day, at least once a day. Hair oiling or hair treatments once a week. What I usually do once a week for my hair to stay shiny and hydrated and not be dead because I use so much heat is this one product by Fenty Hair. It's called the Comeback Kit. It's actually just like a protein product that helps my hair gain so much more strength. If you have any products with protein in them, like hair products, make sure you're only using them once a week. This can be Olaplex, K18, or this product that I'm mentioning. This is personally my favorite. Every time I use it, I feel like my hair looks and feels so soft and so shiny. This is not sponsored, but I do have everything that I'm mentioning linked down below on my Amazon storefront. Always massage oil on your ends when you do this. It prevents damage, adds shine, and will reduce frizz naturally. Tip number 8, teeth whitening. I personally don't use teeth whitening strips. If you feel comfortable enough to do that, you should definitely do it. Only do it every few months though, or instead you could have a teeth whitening toothpaste. I use Marvis for my toothpaste and it's like specifically for teeth whitening. I only use it like like a couple times a week, and I feel like it's made my teeth look so much whiter and cleaner. It's an easy at-home upgrade that makes your face look instantly polished. Tip number 9, routine check-ins every 6 months. Health, goals, and habits review. Being that girl is also about balance and awareness. You have to be aware of the goals that you have set yourself up to achieve. For example, at the beginning of the year, I made a vision board with every single goal that I wanted to complete this year, and because I constantly check it and make sure I have these done, I have achieved 99% of them. The only thing that I'm missing is literally just learning how to drive. You're gonna feel so fulfilled and so proud of yourself for achieving those goals. You could also have a weekly goal, or you could also have a monthly goal list. You can go on Pinterest and make a vision board, and then you can set it up as your wallpaper on your laptop or your phone, so you're constantly looking at it and reminding yourself of the goals that you have set yourself up to. And tip number 10, and what I think is the most important, you need to prioritize your sleep and hydration. No beauty habit will work if you're sleep deprived or dehydrated. So many people have told me issues that they have that will literally just get fixed if they drank more water. If you don't like the taste of water, you could always put something in it that's gonna make it taste better. Maybe lemon, lime, if you like cucumber, some type of fruit, or electrolyte powders, but nothing works as well as just water. Being low maintenance is not about doing less. It's about doing the right things once in a while, so you can look and feel put together every day. If you guys want a part 2, I definitely have so many more tips that I can tell you. Take care of yourself now so the future you can be relaxed. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.